Getting the best deal on car insurance. Shopping around and comparing insurance quotes from several insurance providers is essential to finding the best deals on auto insurance. The types of auto coverage, coverage limits, and deductibles you select should also be carefully considered because they can all affect how much you pay for auto insurance. Getting the best deal for your car insurance can save you a fortune, which is why auto users seeking insurance should know how to get the best deal. How do I get the best deal on car insurance? Shopping around and comparing insurance quotes from several insurance providers is essential to finding the best deals on auto insurance. The types of auto coverage, coverage limits, and deductibles you select should also be carefully considered because they can all affect how much you pay for auto insurance. When deciding on liability limitations, bear in mind that your insurance premiums will rise as your coverage limit increases. However, selecting the minimum liability coverage mandated by your state could be problematic if you have many assets such as a home, money, or investments. If possible, choose a coverage limit that is at least equivalent to the total worth of all your assets. Pay close attention to your deductible as well. By increasing your deductible, you might be able to get your auto insurance costs reduced. Just be sure you can come up with the money if you need to submit an insurance claim if you choose a larger deductible, say $1,000. A usage-based insurance program might also enable you to reduce your insurance costs if you drive safely or for fewer kilometers. Depending on the UBI program, your driving habits or mileage may also be taken into account by the insurance provider when determining your premium. Lastly, confirm that all reductions for which you are eligible are reflected in the estimates you receive. You might save between 3 and 40% on your premium, depending on the insurance provider and type of discount. If you have found this video to be interesting, just a friendly reminder to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let's continue with the video. Does your credit score affect your car insurance rate? Vehicle insurance providers in some states use credit report data to determine insurance scores, which indicate the likelihood of submitting a claim. Having good credit can lead to lower insurance costs. California, Hawaii, Maryland, and Massachusetts do not allow credit-based insurance scores, and Washington will also prohibit it on June 20, 2021. Even in states where it's allowed, rates are influenced by other factors such as driving record, behaviors, age, vehicle, and location. How often should I shop for car insurance? It's a good idea to shop for auto insurance annually to ensure you're getting the best deal, as insurance companies frequently adjust their rates. When buying a new vehicle, comparing auto insurance rates can help you secure the best deal. It's also important to compare prices if you're about to move, if your credit score has changed significantly, if you're adding a new driver to your policy, or if your driving routine has changed. Factors like location, credit score, driving history, and changes in driving routine can all impact your insurance rates. Who is the #1 insurance company? State Farm is ranked as the top auto insurance provider by the NAIC based on market share in 2020. The top 5 insurance providers are State Farm, Berkshire Hathaway, Progressive, Allstate, and USAA. However, in J.D. Power's 2020 U.S. Auto Claims Satisfaction Study, the top 5 companies were NJM Insurance Company, Amica Mutual, Auto Owners Insurance, The Hartford, and MetLife. In J.D. Power's 2020 U.S. Insurance Shopping Study, the top 5 insurers were Geico, Nationwide, State Farm, Allstate, and Liberty Mutual. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now, and I'll see you in the next video.